I'm McGlashan and welcome to Club Marine TV. Now we're talking knots, and there's this age-old saying with knots, if you don't know how to tie knots, tie lots. So I'm going to show you a knot that's really easy to use so you'll never have to use that excuse again. And the great thing about this knot is you can use it in literally any scenario. Attaching hooks, attaching swivels, you can even double it together, but that's a whole new one. I'm talking about the Uni Knot. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you on some bright cord to do it so it's really easy, and then I'm actually going to do it on some mono, and then we're going to go marlin fishing and put it to practice. Okay, first thing you need is your string. Now, what we've got here is some bright stuff so you can see it really easily. Running a circle hook here. Now put the line through the eye. Pull through so you've got a decent tag. Make a loop in the tag. And then simply put the main line against the loop and then get the tag and go around the main line and through the loop. 1, 2, 3. And then all we do is slowly pull it down. Now when we're running mono, we need to lube that up because there'll be friction. But with this, just for the example, just pull tight. Lovely, neat little knot there, and then just slide it in. Then get the main line, hook, pull tight. And if you have a look at that, that is the perfect knot. And look how easy it is. It's so easy to do, and it works. You're fishing off a pier, you're catching flathead, you're catching snapper, marlin. Everything can be used with this knot, the Uni Knot. Okay, so now we've seen on the pink string. Let's get serious. Okay, we're chasing inshore blacks. So, same thing. Get the eye of your hook. Put the line through the eye. Pull it through, nice tag. Make a loop in the tag. Pull the main line against the loop and then go 1, 2, 3. And then pull down on that. Because it's mono or fluoro, we need to lubricate this because otherwise it'll abrade as you pull down. So just like that. And then grabbing the main line, start pulling down and just pull tight like that. And look at that. And there you have the perfect knot. And all we have to do now is cut off the tag and look at that. That is the easiest, perfect knot that can catch you literally anything. But you know the great thing about this knot? Apart from the fact you can catch marlin, tuna, flatties, brim, the whole lot, is you can double up and join lines together. And that's called the double Uni Knot, but we're going to leave that for the next time. We're going to go marlin fishing and put it to practice. And now for the ultimate test. Let's see if my knots hold on a Black Marlin. Oh, nice marlin! We've got him hard on!